Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone so the Apple logo area registers taps. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later and is iPhone 8 or newer. Once done, go to Settings, tap Accessibility, then Touch and select Back Tap. You choose either double tap or triple tap there, assign a system action or shortcut to it. This maps a rear tap, usually over the logo area, to a command. Make sure your case isn't too thick so taps register reliably. Now assign practical actions so tapping the logo does useful work. You can pick built-in actions like screenshot, lock screen, or app switcher, or tap shortcuts and run a custom automation. Launch a camera, toggle a home kit scene, or start a timer. Create and test a shortcut first so you know what runs. Once set, try double and triple taps to compare responsiveness, and adjust if the gesture conflicts with other controls. If it misses, change sensitivity by altering case or tap pattern. Finish by refining how you tap the logo and handling issues. If taps misfire, switch to the other tap option, remove or swap to a thinner case, and practice where to strike. Centered over the logo usually works best. If actions conflict with other gestures, go back to accessibility and reassign or disable the conflicting control. If back tap stops working entirely, restart your iPhone, test without a case, and as a last resort reset accessibility settings. This usually resolves persistent detection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.